video, I'm going to show you how to not only create highlight stories in Instagram, but I'm also going to show you how to create custom branded covers for your highlight stories as well, so that you can better highlight your services and anything else that you want to add to your highlight stories. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into Canva and you're going to want to create a new design. And I want you to create custom dimensions and add 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. You don't have to use 2000 pixels, it's just the recommended dimension size. For highlight story covers, all that's required is a 1-to-1 ratio dimension, so you could do 500 pixels by 500 pixels and that would be fine as well. I'm just using 2000 because that's what was recommended. Once you have your dimensions set up, then you're going to want to start creating a branded cover. I like to use elements that are related to whatever that highlight story is going to cover. For example, if I was to discuss my pricing, then I would probably use an element that included a dollar sign, right? And so what's important here is that it's on brand and you're using any branded colors, and then you're using elements and different icons that are related to whatever your highlight story is about. Once you have that done, what you're going to do is go into your Instagram account. You're going to click the plus sign in the top right corner, and then you are going to also click on highlight story. And all of your stories are going to pop up here, and you're going to be given the option to create a highlight story for your account, right? Then you're going to be able to name your highlight story and also add the cover that you created. If anything is not sized properly with your cover from Canva, then you can easily go back into Canva and resize it if it's too big or too small. Then once you're done, you can go back to your profile page and you can see how it looks, and you can make any adjustments or changes as necessary. I hope this little video was quick and easy to follow, and I also hope it helps you sell your services and your products a little bit better. It is a really good idea to put things like refund policies or services or pricing, guarantees, Q&As, common questions, any of your lead magnets, different things like that can go here. And it's really great because it's always present on your site. So as you make posts, those may be pushed down in your feed, but highlight stories, they're always going to be at the top forefront of your profile, which can be a really great advantage if you are a business looking to sell. With that said though, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button so you can get more marketing tips, and I will see you next Sunday.